Professional medical injection molding manufacturer. Precision manufacturing, safeguarding health in the medical industry. Product safety, reliability, and precision are of paramount importance. As a professional manufacturer specializing in medical injection molding, we are dedicated to delivering high-quality molding solutions to global healthcare institutions, medical device manufacturers, and suppliers of medical consumables, thereby supporting the advancement of the healthcare sector. Core Competency Standard Production Environment. We strictly comply with good manufacturing practice, GMP and ISO 13485, medical device quality management system standards. Our operations are conducted within certified clean room facilities, ensuring a controlled, contamination-free environment that guarantees product sterility and safety. Precision injection molding technology. Our facility is equipped with high-precision injection molding machines, automated production systems, and advanced mold technologies. These capabilities ensure dimensional accuracy and consistent performance across all products. Whether producing micro-sized medical components or complex medical consumables, we maintain high-volume output while upholding exceptional consistency. Medical-grade material selection. We utilize medical-grade materials compliant with FDA RoHS and REACH regulations, including polypropylene PP, polycarbonate PC, acrylonitrile styrene, ABS, thermoplastic, elastomers, TPE, and silicone. These materials offer excellent biocompatibility, chemical resistance, and long-term stability. Rigorous quality control from raw material inspection to final product delivery. We implement comprehensive quality assurance protocols. These include dimensional analysis, mechanical performance testing, and sterility validation, ensuring that every product meets both customer specifications and applicable industry standards. Customized Solutions EXP, ERIENCEDR&D team offers end-to-end services, from initial product design and mold development to full-scale manufacturing tailored to meet the unique requirements of diverse medical applications. Product applications. Our medical injection molded components are widely applied in medical devices, syringes, infusion sets, respiratory masks, catheter connectors, and similar devices. Diagnostic equipment, test kits, detection consumables, sample collectors, and related diagnostic tools. Surgical instruments, components for endoscopes, scalpel handles, and disposable surgical supplies. Medical packaging, medicine bottles, blister packs, and sterile barrier systems. Why choose us? Proven expertise, years of experience in medical injection molding, with in-depth understanding of regulatory and technical standards. Rapid response. Flexible production scheduling ensures timely delivery. Continuous innovation. We stay aligned with evolving medical technology trends to enhance processes and improve product performance. Partner with. The quality of medical injection molded products directly impacts patient health and safety, a responsibility we take seriously. As your trusted partner, we deliver reliable medical molding solutions through meticulous craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and superior service. Contact us today to explore customized medical injection molding solutions tailored to your needs.